Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Cheryl Bruedigam with Style Santa Fe, and I am going to show you today some tips on how to transition from late winter to early spring using the shades of mint. We're going to take a mint colored sweater, and I'm featuring lots of pieces from my Spring Dreams line of jewelry with the mint color. And all you need to do then is add a piece of jewelry, add maybe a scarf in a similar tone, and you've got an easy transition from late winter into early spring. This will give you more of that Style Santa Fe to your look. Thanks for joining me. This is Cheryl Bruedigam with Style Santa Fe. Be sure to like and subscribe and share my channel.